Alright guys, so today's the day. We're gonna go ahead and get a couple runs against the boosted FRS. I've been waiting to do this run for quite a while now. We're just waiting on the GT86 to get fully dialed in with the tune, and so far everything is good to go. And if you're new to the channel guys, welcome. This is Jules City, also known as jules.mk7 on the IG. As always, you can go ahead and follow me there. Post a lot of cool stuff and kind of behind the scenes of everything I do with like my videos and my builds. Also like and subscribe. I've got some more stuff coming out for the channel. We're gonna go ahead and meet up with the boosted FRS. Really excited for this because, as you know, I've got the IS38 Turbo going in soon, so this would be a very good matchup for the IS20 before everything gets bolted up with the new mods. It should be pretty close. He showed me the dyno sheet. I was really impressed by it. I think it is a pretty good build. I don't know if I'm gonna win, to be honest. I don't know. Well, we gotta see, right? I have an idea of how it might go down, but honestly, that thing just looks like a sleeper. Dyno sheet, it looks promising. It looks very promising. It's gonna be a pretty good one, guys. Stay tuned. Come and try to snatch my a little bit over. Now we add some E85 to it. Mix it.
This is your daily tech and business briefing from John of G500 for $500,000 charity.
Looks like it's at 85. Nice.
Have you checked your vehicle for recalls?
So we want to keep the least amount of weight. That should set us about a half a tank. 6.2 is fine. Good thing we've got some cheap ethanol 2.5. That's not bad. It's always a lot better than 91 pump gas, which is 4.4. That is insanely high. Why would I want that? So much better, guys. Yellow pump. Hell yeah. I was gonna go with 91 first to run him just to see the difference. We ended up doing a couple runs on the 85 map, and honestly, yeah, I would have had no chance on 91 for sure. So it's good that we did the 85 map from get-go and just kind of got that out of the way. I got on that time, low spin. Hey, that was good.
Yeah?
I think that's it. All right.
Good shit, man. Yeah, that shit. I'm about to walk, I'm like, oh shit. Okay. I don't have any torque, it's just HP now.
Yeah, but you'll see it in the video. Let's go. Turbo 86 is pretty fast. Pretty damn quick. It's a sleeper. Makes roughly about the same amount of horsepower as this car, stage 2 with full 85. Just that this car has a lot more torque, so that's what's helping me out on those lower rolls. But it is a really cool car. All right, guys, so there it is. You saw us go up against the boosted FRS. It was honestly pretty close. I think that was pretty close. I think that was money well spent. Those cars handle way better than GTIs can. So when you add that extra power and it's as fast as like a stage 2 GTI, I would say that is pretty awesome. It's a pretty cool build. I'm very surprised by that outcome. He does have me on weight, but I do have him on torque, so that kind of offsets things a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and head back home. We're gonna go ahead and get some spark plugs installed inside the car. I'm gonna go ahead and replace those. With that being said, if you enjoyed any part of the video, as always, make sure to give it a like. Also, subscribe so you don't miss on any future build updates. We've got a lot coming towards for this car, so stay tuned for that. IS38 is coming very, very soon. I'm trying to see if I'm missing out on anything else. 6-speed for the win, as always. I know that you guys got some DSG guys out there, but honestly, I love the 6-speed. That is very satisfying. It kind of sucks in traffic, but other than that, when there's no cars, it's really freaking fun. Yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and you know, stay tuned for the next one. Peace.